point. And in case of real emergency, of course, all the work has to be suspended as per the company guideline, and people have to go to muster point. For weather, high wind, poor visibility, high heat or heat stress index, so we are keeping the same R2. R2, we are saying that contractor has to follow the company weather guideline and restrictions as per the government as well as per the company. And night work is prohibited at this point of time, but if in case required, so contractor has to obtain the permit, a special permit for night work. For HSCCS, any HSCCS for FNG communication, you have a Paga system here or no? Only radio. Sudeep, in this plant, you have Paga system?
Sir, site team can respond this one, sir.
Is there anyone from site?
Whatever the existing we are following, you can mention.
Okay.
If not, let's not
Okay,
respond.
so I am putting radio and other communication and active fire protection, so it will be there. So contractor has to follow R3 if in case of this HSCCS is impaired. For interfaces, it is standard. For any interface, we have to make R4. R4 means we have to make interface management plan and approval from the company to the affected area, if any. Civil job, this is not very high intensive civil job, but excavation and cable trench installment will be there. So we are keeping the same restrictions as we discussed, because this can create source of ignition, and others are same. For whether are in putting R2, for HSCCS R3, and interface R4. If you see, category 3, category C, instrument activities. So C1 to C9, the nature of job may have some sort of source of ignition, maybe spark. So I am keeping the same thing for plant startup and shutdown because of purging and create LOPC and can create LEL and UEL. So this is R1. For plant operation can go, there is no concern at all. Hot work and other activity can be done with the permit to work only. You have to do the gas testing, and as per the gas testing, it is allowed or prohibited. Emergency, mock drill, these activities are prohibited. Person has to suspend the job and has to go to the muster point for mustering. For actual emergency, of course, it is a no-go situation, it is prohibited. For weather, adverse weather, we are keeping the same R2. We have to follow the company guideline, weather restriction as per the government, as well as company adverse weather management procedure. For night work, it will remain same. Although there is no night work, but in case of shutdown, we have to minimize the shutdown window.